How to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the voice chat issue in Roblox. So first of all, you have to open the Roblox website and then sign into your account. Click on the gear icon in the top page to access settings. Then click on privacy from the sidebar. Scroll down to locate the options for microphone and camera input. If you don't see the microphone option, you need to enable voice chat in Roblox. Turn on the option that says use microphone to chat with voice. If prompted, enter your parental PIN and then click on unlock. Then click the enable button to activate your microphone. Next, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and then select sound settings. Scroll down to find the input device option. Choose your microphone and set the volume to 100%. Now launch Roblox and enter an experience. To access the settings, click the Roblox icon in the corner or press ESC on your keyboard. Go to Settings tab and scroll down to find the Input Device option. Use the arrow to select a desired microphone for Roblox and then set the output device to hear the game audio and chat. At the bottom, click on the microphone button. If there is a slash through it, voice chat is enabled. You can also enable or disable voice chat using the microphone button in the top left corner. And if the voice chat still isn't working, leave the game, click on More from the sidebar, and then click on Log Out button at the bottom. Confirm your choice to log out and then choose the Roblox player again and open it. Sign back into your account and enter an experience. Check the settings to see if the microphone icon is now available. If it's still missing, close Roblox. Right-click on the Start menu and select Install Apps or Apps and Features for Windows 10. Choose the search box to look for Roblox. Click on the three dots next to Roblox and select Uninstall. Then confirm the uninstallation, wait for the Roblox to uninstall completely from your device, and then locate the Roblox installer file. If you can't find it, you can go to the Roblox website and start another experience to download the installer. Open the Roblox installer to reinstall Roblox, sign into your account, and enter an experience that supports voice chat. Check the settings again, and the voice chat issue should now be resolved. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.